Some homes speak to your heart the second you pull in the drive, and 58 Road 3 West is one of those places. This is where your morning coffee tastes better, and the sound of nature replaces the buzz of traffic. Inside, you'll find a bright, open layout with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and space that feels just easy, whether you're hosting Sunday brunch or unwinding after a long day. It's the kind of layout that brings everyone together and still gives you room to breathe. Outside, there's space to grow, literally. A landscaped yard, a chicken coop for your backyard breakfast, and a shed that's just waiting for your next project. This isn't just a home, it's a way of life. If you've been thinking about slowing down, stretching out, and planting some roots, this is your time. I'm Linda Hacker with Jump Realty. Let's talk about your next move to Kingsville.